Hi friends, welcome back to my channel infomorebox. Today I am going to provide more information about electric hoist of Voltz brand. Please see this video till the end so that you will get all the information about this product. In this video you can check out various models of this machine and you will learn how you can operate this machine. If you like this video, then do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's start with the unboxing of this product PA800. The input voltage is 220 volt and item weight is 19 kg and price of this machine is 13,990. Buying links are mentioned in the description box. Content of this box: 1 notch electric hoist with remote, lift hook, steel cable mounting case including all nuts, bolts and clamps. The length of this machine is 40 cm and breadth is 15 cm and height is 20 cm. The motor winding is 100% copper and motor power is 1350 watt. Wire rope dia size is 3 mm. Now you can check out more dimensions in this image. This way you can assemble it and by fitting all the nut bolts and 2 clamps. Now you can check out the configuration of this P800 model. In single piece, capacity is 400 kg. In case of double fall, you can pull up the weight up to 800 kg. Motor winding is 1350 watt. Lifting height is 20 meter in single phase and 10 meter in double phase. In this image, you can check out how you can attach the hook and operate in double phase mode. In this way, you can put the lift hook in the machine. In double phase mode, the weight capacity will increase up to 800 kg, but this will reduce the range and speed of this machine. Now attach the last hook carefully to the machine. Press the button of remote in upward direction. The machine is starting moving upward. Press the remote button in the downward direction. The machine is moving down. Broad application of this device is you can use this device at multiple locations like construction site, shipbuilding, warehouse, automotive garage, in small factories and other sites also. You can see other models like PA300 for 300 kg, PA500 for 500 kg and PA800 you already seen for 800 kg and PA1200 for 1200 kg and PA1500 for 1500 kg. Product descriptions of other models. Now you can check out several general safety rules. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.